Okay, 2y is equals to cot inverse root 3 cos x plus sin x by cos x minus root 3 sin x whole square for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. We need to find dy by dx and it's a problem asked in JEE Main 2019 again. Okay. How to answer this? So just look at the problem. Try to convert the problem completely in terms of tan. Just look at this expression. If you divide this numerator and denominator of this expression with cos, what will happen? It becomes like this root 3 plus, since we are dividing with cos, it becomes tan x. Okay, root 3 plus tan x divided by, since we are dividing with cos, cos by cos is 1 minus root 3 sin by cos is tan. Root 3 plus tan x by 1 minus root 3 tan x, just this expression. And now this root 3, what is root 3? Tan pi by 3 is root 3. So tan pi by 3 minus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 3 into tan x. Just this expression I am simplifying. So tan pi by 3 minus tan x by, just a minute, here we have plus, right? Okay. Tan pi by 3 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 3 tan x can be written as tan of pi by 3 plus x. Is it okay? So tan of pi by 3 plus x. Tan of pi by 3 plus x also can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus of pi by 3 plus x. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. And you just try to simplify this. Replace here. So it becomes like this, 2y is equals to cot inverse of, pi by 2 minus pi by 3 is pi by 6 minus x. Cot inverse of cot of pi by 6 minus x, okay, and this part whole square. Cot inverse and cot gets cancelled and we left with 2y is equals to pi by 6 minus x whole square. Now we need to find dy by dx. So we have 2y is equals to pi by 6 minus x whole square. If you differentiate it, derivative of 2y is 2 into dy by dx is equals to pi by 6 minus x whole square. So something square, it can be written as 2 times of pi by 6 minus x into derivative of that minus x is minus 1. So cancel this 2. We have dy by dx is equals to x minus pi by 6 finally. That's the derivative. Okay, copy this.